Important events in my life. Universidad Manuela Beltrán, Basic English 2. My name is Angie Natalia Verano Carrillo. Categories: your favorite vacation, your favorite moment at the school, a childhood memory. Your favorite vacation. 1. Where did you go? I traveled to Santander. 2. What did you go with? I went with my dad, mom, brothers, and nieces. 3. When was that vacation? I traveled for my dad's birthday in October. A childhood memory. When was that situation important in your life? It was a very important situation since we were able to meet the whole family, especially for an uncle who was already died. 2. How old were you at that moment? I was 12 years old back then. 3. Who were you with? I was with my family. Your favorite moment at the school. 1. Who were you with? I was with my classmates, teachers, and parents. 2. When did that event happen? The event was present on November 23. Where were you? I was at the Gerardo Molina Ramirez School located in Bogota. Conclusion. My life has been based on really important moments with my family. We have been in both the happy and sad moments. They helped me overcome obstacles, and it grew out that I will always count on your support. Thanks.